ever wondered if paying for a YouTube membership is really worth it? You see that tempting join button under your favorite creator's video? But is the content behind the paywall really better than what you can find for free? Let's break it down and see if members-only videos are truly worth your hard-earned cash. Let's face it, YouTube is packed with free content. You can find tutorials on almost anything from learning to codes to mastering personal finance, all without spending a single dime. So why are creators pushing for memberships so hard? It's not just about offering exclusive content, it's a clever sales funnel designed to convert casual viewers into paying members. When you sign up for a membership, you are promised exclusive videos, super stickers, and even special badges. But here's the catch. You don't know what's inside the members-only video until you have already paid. That's right, you're paying blind, hoping the content will be valuable. Now, if it's an investment tip or insider financial advice, that's different. Exclusive insights could potentially make you money. But if it's educational content, is it really worth it when there's already so much free information on YouTube? Did you know that over 500 hours of content are uploaded on YouTube every minute? That means there's almost an endless stream of free educational content available at your fingertips. Why pay for something you can probably find for free with a quick search? But creators know this, and that's why they use psychological tactics to push memberships. They create a sense of exclusivity, like you're part of special club. They offer super chats, loyalty badges, and direct access to them. But here's the thing, these perks don't necessarily make the content better. They just make you feel more connected to the creator. And let's talk about super chats and super stickers. Yes, they give you a chance to stand out in the live chat, but does that really add value to the content itself? Or is it just a way to boost the creator's revenue stream? Most creators rely on memberships as part of their sales funnel. They hook you with free content, build trust, and then dangle the exclusive content carrot to get you paid. And it works. YouTube generated over $40 billion in ad revenue in 2024 alone, and memberships are a growing part of that. But let's be honest, if you're looking for solid educational content, you're better off curating your own learning experience from free videos. Sure, it takes time to sift through all the content, but it's free, and you're not locked into paying for something that might not be worth it. Think about it. Have you ever paid for a members-only video only to realize it was just a longer version of the free content you already watched? That's because many creators recycle the same content behind a paywall. And what happens if you don't like the content? Too bad, you've already paid for it. There's no refund on YouTube memberships once you've unlocked a video. On the other hand, if you're considering membership for investment advice, that's a different story. Exclusive market insights and financial tips could actually give you an edge. But for general education, why pay when you have unlimited free options? Remember, creators are running a business. They need memberships to boost their income, especially with fluctuating ad rates. That's why they strategically hold back certain content and make it exclusive to members. It's not that members-only videos are a scam. They just aren't always necessary. Most of the time, you can find the same or better information for free. You just have to be willing to look for it. So, if you're thinking about paying for a YouTube membership, ask yourself, am I really getting value? Or am I just supporting the creator's business model? Before you hit that join button, try searching for free alternatives. You might be surprised at what you find, because at the end of the day, knowledge is free, but exclusivity comes at a price.